AI tool is unbelievable. It's gonna help you go viral on YouTube. So look at this video that we recently posted. It started slow, but then something happened here. It started performing much better, and now it has crossed our average views on this small new channel. So what we did here was we used this AI tool to update, to come up with the viral title, description, and tags for this video. Before we jump into this tool, make sure you like and share so more people can see this. All right, the tool is called Taja, and I'll have the link below. And yes, I am an affiliate for this tool, but this is absolutely amazing. It's gonna help you boost your views, your organic traffic and views on YouTube. It comes up with the viral titles for your YouTube video, description, the chapters. You don't have to write chapters. It automatically creates chapters for your videos. So let me log into my account and I'll show you what this tool looks like from the inside. So here is the dashboard, really simple. Step number one, when you sign in, you're gonna add your channel. So just click here and add your YouTube channel. I've added a couple of channels of mine. And then after you add the channel, you're gonna add the video. And by the way, you can optimize both short videos and also long YouTube videos. You can do both here. So let me grab a video that I recently posted and then we'll optimize that video. So here's the URL of the video that I want to optimize, and then click on add video, and it's uploading that video to Taja. Here is the transcription of this video. If you want to add some additional context to your video, to the metadata, you can add it here. For now, I'm going to click on optimize title. And now what this is going to do is it's going to take that video and it's going to come up with viral YouTube titles that's going to help me go viral on YouTube and help me boost my organic views. So let's give it a few seconds. And boom, it was actually really quick. So if you scroll down, now look at this, the truth about Google bot extension, a beginner's guide. And you also see viral score 175, 47. Obviously you want to be as high as possible. Avoid time wasting app swaps. So right now I think I have a how-to title, so this is much better. The truth about Google bot extension, a beginner's guide. Let's say I like this. I'm gonna select this title. And now here is the thumbnail. And by the way, you can use this tool on already published YouTube videos. Sometimes if you want to use this before publishing a video, you can upload a video, make it unlisted, and then do the optimization using Taja. Very cool. All right, so let's say this is the title that I want to go with, the truth about Google bot extension, a beginner's guide. I think the word truth is really interesting. A beginner's guide always gets a lot of views, so I like that. And then scroll down. This is the title that I selected above, and I'm gonna say optimize remainder, because it's gonna come up with the description, it's gonna give me tags, it's also gonna create chapters automatically for this video. So let's give it a few seconds. All right, here you go. It was fast. So here's my title that I selected, and it generated description based on that title. And if you scroll down, watch this. Here are the chapters from that video. I used to spend so much time coming up with these chapters, the timestamps and everything, and guess what? This tool, in a few seconds, in less than like 20 seconds, it created chapters for me. By the way, if you want to make changes, if you don't like something, you can do re-optimize description, and it will just re-optimize everything for you. Here is another thing that a lot of people do not want to spend time on, or they spend too much time on this, and this tool automatically does it. Here are the tags. These are the tags for your video. You can just copy this and then use it on, paste it on your YouTube. This thing too, just copy, and then you can paste it on your YouTube video. Now here is another one of the kind of like the secret features of this tool, Taja. Thumbnail info. So it generated the information for my thumbnail. The thumbnail of the video could be visually appealing and showcase the power of Google bot extensions. I can take this text and use a tool like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, or any other text to image tools and create an amazing thumbnail. So I didn't have to think about the idea for my thumbnail. The AI did all the work. So if you step back, this tool, it gave you viral title for your video based on the virality score. The score is right here, viral score. Then it created the description for your video. Then it created automatically chapters and then tags for your video, and then number 5 or 6, it gave you thumbnail info that you can use in designing of your thumbnail. This is going to save you hours and hours of work. And maybe if you have some people, they have multiple people to do these tasks for their YouTube channels, guess what, one tool does everything for you. Again, the name of the tool is Taja. I'll have link below, and like I mentioned, I am an affiliate for this tool, but you can probably see it saves me a lot of time. It does all the work for me. It's like having 4 different virtual assistants for your YouTube channels. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.